Hey guys, what's up? Mano here and welcome to the channel. I have been busy in my tire shop turning dirt bikes to supermotos, and I love sharing with you guys what I do here. I do my best to give you tips and guides on how to do certain things that you might be interested in, like how to turn your old dirt bike into a supermoto or your retro bike into a scrambler or something like that. Now, I have been getting a lot of requests on how do I convert spoked wheels to tubeless wheels. Yes, it is possible to turn your spoked wheels to tubeless, and there are a lot of ways of doing so. But I will be teaching you how we do ours here. So if you happen to have spoked wheels on your motorcycle and want to convert your wheels to tubeless, then this video is for you. Alrighty, before you begin, let's start with the pros and cons of having a tubeless wheel setup. And is it really for you? Now, the advantages of going tubeless are numerous, but let's stick to the practical reasons. Number one is tire options. Yes, there are so many great performing tires out there for this application, from sticky road rubber to off-road capable tire models. The choices are basically endless. Second would be they're easier to repair. A punctured tubeless tire is easier to fix. May it be with a puncture repair kit like a patch, or if you're in a rush, a liquid tire sealant that you can inject into your tire valve does the job easily. Honestly, the pros are endless, but there are notable cons of having a tubeless setup. Now, if you happen to go off-road a lot, having lower tire pressures is a big plus in rough situations, where traction is a premium. One way of getting more traction is by dropping your tire pressure. This allows your tire to conform easily to the terrain you're going through. But with a tubeless setup, you run the risk of breaking the bead of your tires if your tire pressure is too low. Now, what if you bent your rim, especially at the lip of the rim? This is going to affect your tire's capacity to hold in air and would require a specialist to fix, a fix that would cost a lot. Now, before doing this mod, it is important to note what kind of riding are you planning to do. If it's mostly on pavement, then go ahead, do this mod. If you plan on going off-road, might as well stick to your tube setup. Okay, so what to do? How to turn your spoked wheel into a tubeless wheel? First of all, you need to know what kind of rim you are using, or what do you have. Not all rims are the same. For this application, I prefer using an MT type rim because it is best suited for a tubeless tire application. To know if you have this kind of rim, check if it has this hump. This keeps your tire in the bead zone and reduces the chances of your tire from unseating itself. Next would be to make sure your rims are properly aligned and your spokes are tight. Tighten any loose spokes or replace any broken ones if needed. Now, to do this mod, I prefer using a clear silicone or rubber-based sealant like this. I have tried numerous types of sealants, but so far this gives the best results. Before applying though, make sure the rims are clean and remove any excess or protruding spokes from the nipples. Now, once everything is okay, apply a generous amount of sealant on each nipple and make sure there are no gaps for air to escape. Squeeze in as much to make every crevice sealed tightly. Now, I prefer this method since it allows you to fix or replace any broken spoke in the future. Simply remove the sealant on the affected spoke and apply fresh sealant afterwards. This may be a time-consuming and tedious process, but it's worth the benefits. Once all the spoke nipples are sealed, leave the sealant to cure overnight. Okay, so the seals are cured. Just make sure there are no gaps. If there are any, add more sealant just to make sure. Once everything is okay, wrap the spokes with super sticky tape. Duct tape works well, but if you have any of those self-sealing rim tapes, I highly recommend those. 2 or 3 layers will do the job, but more is better. Once that is done, install a tubeless tire valve, or if you want that extra layer of security, you can use a rubber rim tape with tire valve like this. Once everything is done, install your tire properly and add the recommended amount of air. To check for air leaks, use soapy water or dip your wheels in water. If there are bubbles showing, then you have to do it all over again. If not, then you're good. So that's how we do our tubeless spoked wheel conversion. Like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found this helpful, and leave a comment if you have any suggestions. Check out my other videos to see more tips and bike builds. As always, see you next time. Bye.